guys, welcome back to another hair review. Today's sponsor is Nadula Hair, and we are going to go inside and see what wig was sent to us today and what we're going to promote. Now, you already know we're going to get some goodies in the box. So Nadula do send over a wig cap, which is HD, and of course a edge band. So we got both of those, which is needed to install this wig. Now this is a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig in 16 inches finger coil. Okay, I'm so excited for this because the last time I installed a finger coil here, when I tell you I did nothing to it because it was perfect. I absolutely love it. Now this is very beginner friendly. The wig come already for you to just slip it on, and what I like most is look at that lace. The lace is perfect. So Nadula did their thing with this one again and again. And yeah, I think it has the upgraded cap on. It's already bleached. The knots are already bleached. As you guys can see, you're seeing that brown tint. But you can go ahead and tint the lace to your complexion because that's recommended. Now look at these finger coils. You see that? Look at that. These are the finger coils, and I love that. These are even bigger at the top. Like, it is literally at the front of the wig. How perfect is that? I love that for me. Now, the first things first, who don't love a wig with a drawstring? You know, this wig or any wig with a drawstring fits any head size. All you gotta do is put it on, pull this down to your liking, however tight you want it, and there is another piece on top. You are going to bring that down as well, and the excessive string, you're going to tuck it under. So you should have something like this, which you're not going to see. So I love the wigs with a drawstring. Now, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We're going to get into this video. I'm actually going to do my makeup first, and then I'll be back. So I love the wig, but stick around, soon come. This finger coil is amazing. I'm actually here trying to do all of it because I love that it is 16 inches, and you guys know it's 16 stretch inches, so you have to stretch it to get the inch. So it's going to be a little bit shorter, and I absolutely love it. You can pin this up once it is dry. So I'm done with this side, and all I'm doing is using the mousse. I already wet the hair completely, so I'm just using the mousse to do the finger coil. I am going to do the other side right now. I just need it to be on a level where it is perfect. So this side, we're going to do this together. And I'm not going to lie, this is super easy and it takes no time. So these at the front already finger coiled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some mousse. Add the mousse to it, and then you take out sections and you twist it. Take out each section and then you twist it. And because it's wet, it's gonna go out. So I'm just gonna do that, and the mousse will help you. And it's not gonna take no time. Very simple, very easy. The mousse helps, and it is gonna be so easy. The hair texture though, it is super soft. I just love that they have finger coil now, and you can switch up your curly wigs, but it is soft, as you guys can see. There is no tangling, no nothing. I think I'm gonna do this in two. Add just a little bit of mousse and do it. You don't need a lot. And if it was tangling, then you'll see that, but that's not happening. You see how shrink it's getting? Yeah, I love this. Now remember, the 16" is 16 stretch inch. So for you to get the 16" you have to stretch the hair. That's how every curly hair is. So now I know it's looking like it's a 14", but that's how it is with curly hair. Everyone, not just the finger coil. So I'm gonna just keep on doing this. Super easy. You can twist it to whatever side you want to. Just keep on watching. Listen, this finger coil is giving me the vibe like this is my natural hair. I love it. I'm trying to make sure that this part is up like this so it have that really nice effect. Wow. What do you guys think? Let's look around the back. And I showed you guys how we pull the drawstring so it's going to stay like that. Once this is dry, it's going to be super nice. Now, this is how it is. So nice. I love it. I love this. Are you guys seeing the curls? Let me stand up so you guys can see how the finger coil is. Look at that. Love how it is. It is beautiful. Yay. It's giving me my natural hair vibe, so I really like it. What do you think? Do you like it, guys? I really like it. Nadula did their thing with this one. I'm gonna let it dry and then I'll come back and let you guys see how it is, because I need it to dry so I can separate it a little bit more. But it is amazing. I love it so far. Let me tell you something, Nadula. You see this? Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Come on now. This is it, y'all. So cute. I really love this. I actually did an ad just now in this wig for a company and I love it. I feel like it's a perfect wig. It's a go-to. Now, the curls are dry, of course, and you can wear it like this. I think the hair will last longer if you leave it with the finger coil. So you have the option because the front came finger coil. So all you have to do is add some mousse and do it. But this is it. I'm going to pin it up because it looks like my natural hair. So I'm going to show you guys how we can pin it up, even though it's a 7x5, okay? So get into it. Now for reference, if you guys want to pin the hair up, you can, as is. With the middle part, it came as a middle part. You can also create a side part. I would definitely pin this up like this. And then I would use some, I call it hairpin, if you call it bobby pin, whatever it is. It looks like this. And you can tuck it in. Yes, for a different look. Now, if you're going to work, church, or you just want your hair to look different, you can definitely do this. I have another one. What you can do as well is you can open your finger coil if you want a little bit more fluffy. Once it is dry though, you have to wait until it's dry. I think I'm gonna leave it like this, y'all. This is it, 7x5. Still look like a frontal, but it's manageable for you. 16". I will have the link in the description. Don't worry, I'll have it for you guys. This is perfect. You can also do a side part and it will look nice. I'm pretty sure the next time I do this, it's gonna look so nice. I'm gonna do an all side part and do the finger coils to one side, so it will look good. Now this is so friendly. I think I would install this on my 15-year-old hair. She would love it because look at that. All you have to do is pin it up, and this is how I'm gonna leave it. So make sure you check the description, and thanks to Nadula for sponsoring this video. Absolutely love this, and it's now a fave. Okay, it's curly, it's not that long, manageable for persons who can't do their hair but need a wig. This is the one. So make sure you check the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.